In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not saving passwords. First, we need to ensure that password saving is enabled. This is a crucial step because if this feature is turned off, Edge will not prompt you to save your passwords. To start, open Microsoft Edge on your device. You can do this by finding the application icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once the browser is open, you will see the familiar interface with the address bar at the top. This is where you can enter website addresses. It is important that you follow along closely to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now that you have Microsoft Edge open, you need to navigate to the settings for passwords. To do this, type in the address bar edge/settings/sashwords and hit enter. This action will take you directly to the password settings page. Here, you can manage all the settings related to your saved passwords. By visiting this page, we are making sure we address the root of the problem, which is the password saving feature. This is essential as it controls whether you can save your passwords or not. Once you are on the password settings page, look for the option that says Ask to save passwords and passkeys. This option is typically found near the top of the page. You need to toggle this setting to turn it on. When you do this, Microsoft Edge will prompt you whenever you enter a new password on a website, allowing you to save it for future use. This little step saves you a lot of time later, ensuring that your passwords are stored securely and conveniently. After you have turned on the option to ask to save passwords, take a moment to ensure that the setting is indeed activated. You should see a blue toggle indicating that it is on. This visual confirmation is reassuring because it lets you know that the feature is active. If it remains off, you will not receive prompts when entering passwords, which can be quite frustrating. From there, to test if everything is working correctly, visit a website that requires you to log in. Enter your login credentials, including your username and password. After you submit the information, watch for the prompt that asks if you want to save the password. This step is critical because it verifies that the changes you made were successful. If the prompt appears, you can confidently proceed knowing that your password will be saved for future logins. Next up, if you encounter any issues, make sure to repeat the previous steps and confirm that the setting is still enabled. Sometimes, updates or changes in the browser settings can accidentally turn features off. If you have confirmed that the setting is active and still do not see the prompt, consider restarting your browser. This can refresh the settings and resolve any lingering issues. At this point, you have successfully navigated through the necessary steps to enable password saving in Microsoft Edge. You should now be able to enjoy the convenience of having your password saved securely. Remember, this feature not only saves time but also enhances your online security by managing your passwords effectively. If you follow these steps, you will find that your browsing experience becomes much smoother. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.